3, 2, 1.
Welcome to Moneycoin apps and airdrops. Just in case this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell notification icon so you can get update whenever I make new video to this channel. And you can also join my WhatsApp and Telegram group, and so you can always be updated. Today I'm going to be teaching us on how we can participate in this new airdrop, MetaMeen. It's a strong project tend to do better in the future. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching us on how we can open an account and begin the money process. So I'll be dropping a link below which you can use to access this website link so you can easily register. And when you come to the website, the first thing you have to do, you have to input your name. Here you put your name, then you put your authentication method. Here in the authentication method, we have two methods which you can use. You can either use your phone number or your mailbox, but for me, I'll be using my mailbox. Now after you've done that, the next thing you have to do, then you put your mailbox, which is your email address. Or if you're using your phone number, you have to put your phone number which you are using. Now your email captcha, you have to click on this captcha. Now you generate a code and you put the code here. You enter your password. After you've entered your password, you reconfirm password. And please, if you are watching this video, please do ensure you use my referral ID and put it here. Then you click on register. So I'm going to pause this video and put this information so we can continue the process together. Thank you. When I click on register, it displays registration successful and it brought me to this page. So what you should do next, you can either log in here or you could as well download the app here, clicking this link. Now when we click on download app, it directs us to this page where we have the MetaMeen here. Now the next information we have is download Android, download ISO, download on Google Play Store. Now you can choose whichever version that is suitable to your device. I'm not downloading the app now, so I prefer logging using the web version. So I take it back. The thing I have to do, I'll have to log in. So what I'll have to do, I'll put my username here and I'll put my password here. So please do ensure you don't make that mistake. Your username here and your password here. Now what I'll do, I'll pause this video to input my information. Now after which I have input my information, the next thing I'll do, I'll click on login. Login successful. Now when I log in, it's direct me to this page, which is the home page, the interface. Now here on the home page, there are different information which you can see here. We have VR gaming, then we have VR school, we have cryptocurrency, we have MetaMeen, we have surfing, then we have crypto wallets, then we have VR business, and we have VR communication. I guess this project is a good one, and it tends to have so many features which would be helpful to you. Now simply by registration, you tend to earn 100 MetaMeen, which is here. You can see currently. So if you don't use my referral code, you won't earn that. So by using my referral code, you tend to earn 100 MetaMeen. Now when you do that, the next thing we have to do, let's begin our mining. Activate. So I'll click on activate. Now as I click activate, it has begin mining. The mining is 24 hours process. So every 24 hours you have to ensure you come back and be clicking on that mining. Now what we have here on the footer area, we have mine, we have expand, we have income, we have mining pool, then we have start. Now let's begin on the mine and see what we have here. Now here on the mine, we have our user information. Here you can simply see your user ID. Then we have our mine hash rate, we have mine wallet, cash out wallet, my pay off, order record, share link, account security, language, and other information which include contact particulars, the white paper about us, relevant qualifications, and contact customer care service and logouts. Now there's something I want to check here. Let's click on bind wallet and see what we can do here on bind wallet. Now when we click on bind wallet, there's an information which it's display here, which reads it says important reminder, you must bind a USDT address whose network type is TRC20 Tron for the safety of your assets. After you bind the address, you cannot change it again by yourself. If you need to change it, please contact the platform customer service to help you. So in this video, I'm going to put you through the process on how you can bind your wallet now. So what we should do, let's come to our Binance. Now if you have Binance wallet, you can use Binance wallet. If you don't have Binance, you can also use your Trust wallet. But for this tutorial, I'll be using Binance. So when you open your Binance wallet app, the next thing you do, you come to wallet. When you click on wallet, you'll come to sports here at the top. When you click on sports, now the next thing you have to do, here we have deposit, withdraw and transfer. What you do, you click on deposits. Now when you click on deposit, what you should do next, you click here and the search bar, come to the search bar and type USDT. Now it will bring out this information, USDT. What you do next, you click on it. Now when you click on it, you have to scroll to where we have TRC20, this one, so don't make mistake. Now I'll click on it. Now the next thing I'll have to do, I have to copy this TRC20 address, which is here. I'll click on this copy and it will automatically copy the address. Now I'll go back to the app and I paste the TRC address here. I'll paste it here. Then after I've done that, after which I've done that, I have to click on get captcha. So I'll click on it and I'll go to my email address. Now when I come to my email address, I will receive a message here, which is verification code. Now I'll copy it and get this verification code, and I'll go back to the app. Now I'll put the captcha which was sent to me code and I'll click on submit. Please do ensure you do this properly so you don't make a mistake. Now setup succeeded. Now what I'll have to do, I'll take it back and go back to my profile information. Now here on profile information, we can also do cash out. Let me see cash out. Okay, I can't cash out now because I don't have any funds here in my account. Now the next information we have here, we have a share. If you're watching this video, you're asking how can I refer friends and loved ones, you click on share link, and when you click on share link, it brings you to this interface. Here you can share your link. Share your link here. Now you can share your link. What you just have to do, you click on this place here and you can copy the link. Now if you want to send them your invitation code, what you have to do, this is where you have your invitation code and you click on this place. You can copy it automatically and you can share them your invitation code, or you could as well send them this QR code which is here. You screenshot it and send to friends and loved ones to join. Now if we come back to our setting, we have account security. Now you can change your information here. From your account security, you can change rename authentication, mobile phone number, mailbox authentication, login password, front password. Okay, let's take it back. Now we can change our language here if we want to, and let's come to the about us information so we can have a clue of this project. Now here on the about us, we have information about MetaMeen, which you can see here on the interface. Now let's read what they have here. It says MetaMeen Mobile Communication Ltd, headquarter in Malaysia, capital Kuala Lumpur, is one of the world leading manufacturers of smart personal terminal device and a provider of mobile internet service. After several years of rapid development and innovation, Meen has become a high-tech enterprise integrating R&D, productions, sales and service, boosting extensive global business and numerous loyal users. Now you can read the other information here so you can get idea about what they are into. Now let's go back. By going back, what you just have to do, you click on this place here and there's a cancel there which you can just click and it will take you back to your setting. Okay, now the next thing we do, let's click on expand and see what we have here on expand. Now when we click on expand, it brings us to the interface where we have exchange, and you can see some other information here. Digital wallet, go to the central exchange, OTC, Meta Universe, and NFT exchange. Here we have hypothecate the coin age. Now if we come over to the pool income, okay, income before pool. When we come over to income, here we have our mining pool. Under income we have mining profit, mining pool, share income. So let me navigate to mining pool. Currently mining pool is income is 0, then shared income is 0 because I'm just registering. So if we look at our total revenue here, our total mining revenue is 0, pool total revenue is 0. So let's come to the mining pool, which is the second to last. Now when we come to mining pool, we can see mining pool, which is currently 0. Mining pool hash rate bonus 0, monthly income 9%. So let's click on create or join. Let's see what we display. Let me click on join first. Join, enter the pool invitation code. Okay, so that means I have to enter a pool invitation code. I will have to take my time and get that information, and when I do that, I will make updates on this mining app. This guys, now if we come to start here, it brings us back to the home page. Now here on the home page, we can also upgrade our accounts if we want to. Now let me click on upgrade and see what we have there. Now it brings us to where we have our invitation code. Now simply by inviting friends, there's information here. By inviting friends to join. Now when you invite friends to join your mining pool, and if your friend is an active user with more than 50 MetaMeen, you receive a computational power bonus of 100, where and represents the number of users in your mining pool. Invite friends to participate in mining, and you will receive a computational power bonus of 5 Meen, where n is the number of people you have invited. So if a friend registers using your invitation code, you will receive 7% of their daily miner benefits. And if someone else registers using your invitation code, you receive 3% of that person miner earning. That's a nice one. So I encourage you guys to register, and please do ensure you use my invitation code. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. If it's been helpful to you, I remain your friend Desmond on Money Coin Apps and Airdrop. Do have a wonderful day, and bye for now.